Welcome to Kenya Day 48.
We started out the day, got ready to go to church. It was amazing. We saw all these cute, adorable kids. Then we had snack time later, and we did some watercolor. It's actually so relaxing. I'm so glad Gianna decided to bring it.
She definitely was yelling at me not to bring it.
That's her avocado.
We had chapati and pineapple.
That was so yummy. And then we rectangled outside. Yes, we just had our little juice box frozen. And we had a visit from a monkey who was causing some trouble, and we went on a little walk, and the view of I tried to show you guys, but it didn't work. Mount Kilimanjaro is so gorgeous. And then we had dinner.
We watched my favorite movie ever, our favorite movie, Greatest Showman.